My car, it fought a losing fight against the sheeting, endless grey. Headlights cut through the fading lights at the end of another working day. And then I saw you, hunched and small, a lonely figure, soaked to the bone, standing by a garden wall, looking like you had no home. I pulled right over, need a lift, I called above the rainy sound. You opened the door, and you tumbled in. The cold outside, and the warmth within. You spoke of empty rooms and quiet nights, a silence that would swallow you whole, of fading dreams and fading lights, a heavy burden on your soul. And I confessed my unsaid tale of a house that felt like a cold stone tomb, living with a love that had gone bitter and stale, trapped inside an empty room. From that moment, true and clear, I knew I'd found someone with whom I would never leave their side, washing away every fear with that dark and hopeful tide. Oh, God bless that rainy day, the one that changed my life around, when you stepped into my way and a new kind of love was found. From that day, I never left your side, since that blessed rain-filled ride. You're now my love, my life, you're my chosen guide. God bless that stormy, rainy tide. From that day, I never left your side, since that blessed, rain-filled ride. You are my love, you are my life, my chosen guide. God bless that stormy, rainy ride. God bless that stormy, rainy ride.